It's time for the Davies Download.
The Davies Download. The Davies Download.
Hi, Davies community. I'm David Champagne, and I'm the interim director. I'm here at the Davies Download for the week of April 5th, 2021. Now, tomorrow, Tuesday, April 6th, parents can attend the fourth parent workshop from 6 to 7:30 p.m. Sign up at www.daviestech.org/PW to gain the Zoom information for this free and virtual presentation with a licensed social worker to discuss bullying. Verbal, physical, relational, cyberbullying, what it looks like, who to report it to, and what to do about it. The Spanish version will be available on Thursday, April 8th. Now, Friday is the end of the third quarter, so students, please work on submitting any missing assignments. You will have until the end of the day on Thursday, April 15th to submit any late work. Teachers will be accepting work from the third quarter up until that point, even though the quarter does end on Friday. Grades will be uploaded Friday morning, and report cards will go out during the vacation time. Davies Food Pantry, the Pantryet, is up and running. If you and your family are experiencing food insecurity, please complete the form at www.daviestech.org/food so we can help. And backpacks can discreetly be taken home. Parents can pick up food with help from Mrs. Medeiros. All information is kept confidential, and we just truly want to make sure that our community is fed and ready to learn. And that's really all there is for this week's Davies Download. And I'll be back up next week with another update. So make sure you get your work in, make sure you get yourself prepared for the end of the quarter, and start strong on the fourth quarter. And let's finish this year with a lot of Davies strength and pride. Thank you very much, and have a Davies Day.
The Davies Download.
The Davies Download. The Davies Download.